Hey lads, TechScanning here. So Google has already confirmed that its upcoming Pixel 8 series will go official on the 4th of October. But the good thing, the Pixel phones keeping the trend alive of being leaked well ahead of their launch event. So if you have been following me, back in May an official video of the Pixel 8 Pro leaked out showing unlike its predecessor, the Pixel 8 Pro will have a flat display panel and it will have a unique infrared thermometer sensor on its back. Additionally, we have also got a number of other details regarding its cameras thanks to different leaks. However, now here comes the most important part of the puzzle. The pricing of the Google Pixel 8 series, and the information came from the most credible source, yes, straight from Google documents leaked by a known tipster. So starting with the top of the line Pixel 8 Pro, despite some big changes such as an upgraded LTPO display with a 1 to 120Hz refresh rate, a newer 48 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, while some rumors also claim it will have a bigger main camera, Google will keep the price the same $899 as the last year's Pixel 7 Pro. It's kinda aggressive pricing, especially when compared with the recently launched iPhone 15 Pro, which does not even offer Apple's ultimate camera setup with a price tag of $999. Talking about the standard Pixel 8, it will start at $699, making it $100 more expensive than the Pixel 7, which starts at $599. However, to satisfy this price hike, as per Google, the upcoming Pixel 8 will have a better display panel with a variable refresh rate between 60 to 120Hz instead of just 90Hz, a slightly higher 10.8 megapixel selfie camera, and of course Google's newest Tensor G3 chipset. Google phones are known to offer a smooth software experience and one of the best camera systems, so the Pixel 8 series could be a good choice, especially the Pixel 8 Pro when compared with the Galaxies and iPhones. Luckily, we have also received UK pricing for Pixel 8 series thanks to a reliable leaker Reliant Quant. According to him, both the Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro will see price hikes in the UK. The Pixel 8 will start at £700, the Pixel 8 Pro at £1000 and the Watch 2 at £350. Now for comparison, last year Google offered Pixel 7 at £600, the Pixel 7 Pro at £850 while the Pixel Watch at £340. Besides the pricing, recently a promo video of the Pixel 8 series leaked out revealing some of its camera features such as night sight, face swap, super res zoom and Pixel 8 Pro exclusive Pro camera controls. Anyway, let me know what are your thoughts on the Pixel 8 series pricing in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.